Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the E-class of St. Xavier's High School. As we are continuing with your English grammar writing section, today's topic is about informal letter. Previously, we have studied about the formal letter, we have seen the format. Now, let's learn about informal letter. First of all, let's see the format of the informal letter. Students, I'll make it clear that informal letter is a letter which is written to friends and relatives. So, you have to strictly follow the format of an informal letter. As you can see, this is also given in your English grammar textbook. So, strictly follow this format. So, first of all, on the left hand side, you have to write down sender's address, and then the date, and then the salutation, and then the body of the letter, or you can say the content what you are writing. It may be congratulating, it may be inviting to your relatives for a party. So whatever the content is, you will write after the salutation. And lastly, with the complimentary clause, yours lovingly and the sender's name. I hope you are clear with this. Now again I'll repeat this. You have to first start with the sender's address, that means your address, and the date, and then the salutation, and then the content of the letter, and lastly yours lovingly, that is complimentary clause, and the sender's name. Now who is the sender? You are writing the letter, so you are the sender. Then write the date on which you are writing the letter, and the salutation, that is dear Sujata, whatever your friend or relative's name is. Write the name, and then the content, that is congratulating or inviting to your friend or any relative, or congratulating. So you will write the content, and lastly yours lovingly, that is complimentary clause. You can also write yours affectionately and your loving friend. As you can see, you can also write this. And lastly, the sender's name, that is your name. Students, I hope you are clear with this format. You have to strictly follow this format of informal letter. Okay, now we are going to write a letter. So let's see what the topic is. Write a letter congratulating your friend on his or her success in the examination. As I earlier said, you have to start with the address on the left hand side. On the left hand side, the sender's address, that is your address. So write the address, then date on which you are writing the letter, and then the salutation, that is dear Kavya. Now we will going to start the content of the letter. So let's get started. How are you? I have not heard from you since long time. I hope you are in pink of health, that means you are fit and fine. I came to know from your mom that you have bagged the first position in your class in first semester exam. I take this opportunity to congratulate you on your bright success. You have done very well. Keep it up on your best performance. So this is the first paragraph. We are first of all asking about the health, and to say that I hope you are pink in health, that means you are fit and fine. And then you have to congratulate. You have to congratulate for your bright success. So I hope you are clear with the first paragraph. Then the second one, I am very happy for you. Continue your studies in the same sincere manner so that in future you can come out with flying colors. And lastly, give my regards to your parents, love to little sister. And complimentary clause, yours loving friend, Ria. I hope you are clear, students. First you have to start with the address, sender's address, then the date, then the salutation, that is dear Kavya, and then you have to start your letter, that is content. I'll repeat it all again. How are you? I have not heard from you since a long time. I hope you are in pink of health. I came to know from your mom that you have bagged the first position in your class in the first semester exam. I take this opportunity to congratulate you on your bright success. You have done very well. Keep it up on your best performance. I am very happy for you. Continue your studies in the same sincere manner so that in future you can come out with flying colors. Give my regards to your parents. Love to little sister, and lastly yours loving friend Ria. Students, I hope you are clear with this. So you have to write it down in your English grammar writing section. Do read it properly, understand it properly, and learn it. Learn and write in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.